Follow us for more great content and lifestyle and relationship experience.
BDSM in a long-distance relationship, LDR? You have met a very special person, but unfortunately they live incredibly far away. Many kilometers, another country, maybe even another continent. How can you still make a BDSM friendship into a functioning long-distance relationship? We must be grateful for the internet. It allows us to meet people from all over the world, including like-minded individuals or even soulmates who share our passion for BDSM. But often they live so far away that you may wonder, can you really build something meaningful without meeting in person? The answer is yes, you can develop a deep and fulfilling BDSM long-distance relationship. Unfortunately, a long-distance relationship is often difficult to maintain, and adding BDSM can make it even more challenging. What should be considered in a long-distance BDSM relationship? It can require significant time, sleep and money, but don't let anyone tell you it's impossible. With dedication and a few tricks, you can make it work. Willingness to communicate. Any BDSM relationship requires communication, but in long-distance dynamics, it's essential. Through phone calls, texts, emails, or even traditional letters, you get to know your partner's preferences, habits, and boundaries. Communication is how you build trust and keep the connection alive despite the distance. Trust and honesty. Being honest builds trust. This is crucial because, unlike in-person relationships, you can't rely on body language or facial expressions to gauge intentions. False information or even small lies can damage trust and cause emotional harm. Transparency is vital in creating a solid, trusting bond. Follow through on promises. Your relationship can only thrive if you both follow through on what you've promised. If your dominant assigns a task, such as undressing or touching yourself, it's important to honor that. Of course, the temptation to fake it is there since your partner can't physically verify it. But deception only weakens trust. Instead, document tasks with photos, videos, or live webcam sessions to prove your sincerity. Ideas for a long-distance BDSM relationship. After covering the basics of communication and trust, here are some creative ways to maintain a BDSM dynamic across the distance. Pleasure over the phone. Orgasm control over the phone can be thrilling. Your partner can deny, control, or intensify your pleasure, and you must request permission to orgasm. Remote-controlled toys such as those from Lovense can add another level of intensity. Discreet public play. Explore discreet public play for a bit of adventure. Wearing clamps under your clothes or sending photos from semi-public places like a restroom or your car can keep things exciting. Bedtime rituals. Create bedtime rituals such as asking for permission to sleep or having a specific number of orgasms before bed. This builds consistency and strengthens your connection. Self-administered pain play. For those who enjoy pain, self-administered spankings, nipple pinching, or wax play can be done remotely. Sharing the experience through video or webcam helps bridge the physical gap. Non-sexual tasks. Power exchange can extend into daily routines such as choosing clothing or planning meals. Surrendering control over these small decisions helps maintain the D/S dynamic despite the distance. Yes, long-distance relationships are hard, and adding BDSM makes them even harder. But with trust, communication, honesty, and creativity, it's possible to build something meaningful.